Alright, so welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for a long time. I moved to Florida, kind of as everyone knows, because my last video I think I did, or one of the last videos I did, I said I was moving, and for a while I didn't have anywhere to film, and now I do have my own apartment, but I've kind of been working that swing shift, which is overnights, and not really been able to do much else. It's been hard because of COVID and moving and everything else. So yeah, but I do want to be able to come back and do YouTube like I used to and actually try to do it more this year. So we are just going to start off kind of my back video kind of is I just kind of want to go through my project pan of 2020 and get that out of the way. I know it's going to be pretty similar to my last update just because haven't been wearing a lot of makeup. I do work kind of a more physical job now, so don't really wear makeup in warehouses or anything like that. So we're just going to kind of go through this and see what's left. I do have a list of the couple products that I did throw away before coming to Florida because they were empty and I didn't want to pack that and bring along junk. So I do have 3 products that were my last kind of empties video that I did throw away. So let's just go through those first. I'll put little pictures up. So the first one was the 3 things I finished was the Ciate London powder, the Elizabeth Moth primer, and then the Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche contour palette. And I said I did want to use up my second one that I had, and I think I did decently well. It's not all the way done, but I did hit pan on it, if it would just focus. So I did hit pan. I could probably get this done maybe in a couple months. So this is going to be in this year's upcoming project pan. And then the 4th thing that I don't know where it is, but I know I'm not done with it yet, is that Katy Kat Gloss in Cantaloupe. I do have it in a purse, and if I go out where I don't need to wear a mask, if I'm just like doing, I don't know, sometimes I could just go pick up food or things like that, or just go drop off the mail at those post office boxes, like things like that. I'll wear that, but it's in my purse if I ever do need to wear it. Sometimes I'll wear it around the house if my lips feel dry, but that's over there. I didn't want to try to go figure out where it is, but yeah, that one is not done yet, and that will also be in this upcoming project pan. So let's go through the rest of the things. So I did finish this, what is this? The LMS Hydra Veil primer. So this is finally completely empty. I think it is a cute little container, everything like that. We will see if maybe some of it's recyclable. If not, maybe I can reuse it for something else. I don't know, because it is a cute little package and I don't want to just put it in a landfill. I did finish up one more thing. I did finish my NYX concealer. This is completely dried out. I did take out that stopper, and this is all done with. So I did finish up 2 more products. And then some things that are kind of almost done but not completely. I got a bigger pan size, I guess. I'll try to put another picture of what it looked like in my last update, but I have been trying to finish up this blush, but recently I've been wanting to use other ones that I have. This is one of my favorite ones, so I am going to definitely try to finish it off this year, along with the bronzer. Something that is still not even close to being done with. It's probably like halfway done, maybe a little bit more than halfway. I took out the stopper on this Ulta Youthful Glow Concealer. I've been using it sometimes as like an eyeshadow primer if I'm only going to be out for like an hour or 2. Definitely doesn't do well for like the long days. But besides that, it's just too light and it doesn't give any coverage and it kind of creases under my eyes. So this is going to take a while to finish off too. So it is going to gonna try to finish it off within halfway of the year and just see if I can get it done with. And the next thing is this LA Girl Pro Matte foundation. This is still only like halfway done. I haven't been using foundations, and this is just really light for me now. So I have had to mix it with kind of darker foundations that I've had, so that's why it's been taking so long. But recently I've kind of been back into these again. So this is the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. I have my Fit Me Matte and Poreless, which I like to use almost regularly. And then I did buy the Dewy Wet n Wild photo foundation, whatever, in soft beige. The Dewy isn't as good as the matte for me, but I do still actually pretty like it, and for having oily skin, this does last pretty well throughout the day. So I've kind of been into these, and this one has just been kind of heavy. It's too light, and it's just too much for Florida with the weather now, so I'm probably just going to end up throwing this one away because it is really old, and I'm just not going to use it. Something that I got actually decently close on was this Wet n Wild lip scrub in that watermelon scent. I'm going to go put this in my bathroom again. I just brought it over here and try to use this morning and night. My 2020 kind of resolution for the year was to have a better skincare routine. So I do have 2 lip scrubs. I'm going to finish this one off. There's only a little bit left, and then start my other one. Alright, and then my Peak blush in Abu, which is that cream blush, I got really, really close to finishing. I do just have a little bit of the corners left, and I am going to try to use this up before I throw it away, but I got really close, and that was the progress on this. And then I did not finish this e.l.f. Rose Gold kind of eye cream stuff, but it is almost done. I would say there's maybe a fourth left, and it is kind of getting drier and chunkier. I don't know if it'll be able to see in there. I don't know if you can see kind of in there, but it is kind of dry and chunky. So I think this is pretty much the end of the line for it, because the formula has changed. But it was a pretty color, and for like $2, I think it's definitely worth trying. Okay, and then I do have my Wet n Wild highlighting gold bar. I did use pretty much a big chunk of this, which I think is good enough for me. I'm not going to be putting this in my next year's project pan, but I'm glad I did get a lot of use out of this, and I will still keep it around. I know it is a little bit old, but it still works really nice, and it doesn't smell or anything like that. So I'm going to keep it around in case I can still want a gold highlighter. And then finally, my Milani Bold Obsessions palette. I only got to use this a little bit more. I did use the gold shade up a little bit, and then these shades got a little bit deeper, and then I actually did use this one a lot. But the black I did try just to use as like eyeliner, but just not wearing makeup a lot. So this is pretty much all this is going to get. I do want to have a different eyeshadow palette for next year. But yeah, that is everything I used up and kind of tried to use up, I guess, in 2020. I know it was a weird year, and I'm kind of glad it's done. So we're going to move on to 2021, and I will put a new video up of my 2021 Project Pan. I have a video coming up after this, and then after that one. So the third video that I post, I guess, for my most recent ones, it'll be my 2021 Project Pan. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which is going to be basically me trying makeup that I've been collecting for the past 3 months I've been gone. So yeah, I will see you guys next time.